Reusable items are gaining popularity as more people see how they can save money while reducing environmental impact. I love finding ways to cut costs and minimize waste, and switching to reusable options is one of the easiest ways to make a difference. Did you know that our dependence on single-use plastics has reached alarming levels? According to recent findings, only 9% of plastic waste is recycled, while 22% is mismanaged. Switching to reusable items might seem overwhelming at first. The long-term benefits are absolutely worth it. These sustainable alternatives often last for years, making their initial cost much smaller when spread across their lifetime. Most items pay for themselves within months of regular use and continue providing value long after. This video presents 24 carefully selected reusable items that deliver real value in everyday life. Each item stands out for its durability, cost-effectiveness, and practical use. These smart investments will help reduce waste while keeping more money in your pocket. What are your favorite reusable products? How have they changed your daily routine? Let us know in the comments. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Reusable water bottles. A high-quality reusable water bottle stands as an essential investment for daily hydration needs. Most insulated bottles maintain drink temperature for 12 to 24 hours and eliminate the need for single-use plastic bottles. These bottles come with easy-to-clean wide mouths and durable materials that resist dents and scratches. The average American spends $5 per week on bottled water, or $260 per year, while a good reusable bottle costs $20 to $40 and lasts several years. Popular options include Hydro Flask and Swell bottles, which come with lifetime warranties against manufacturer defects. These bottles work perfectly for water, sports drinks, and even hot beverages. Number 2. Silicone food storage bags. Silicone storage bags offer an excellent alternative to disposable plastic bags for food storage. These durable bags withstand temperatures between -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making them safe for freezer storage. A set of 4 to 6 high-quality silicone bags costs $15 to $30, but replaces hundreds of disposable plastic bags. The bags feature secure seals that prevent leaks and maintain food freshness. Most silicone bags last 3 to 5 years with proper care and regular dishwasher cleaning. These bags work especially well for storing produce, leftovers, and meal prep ingredients. Number 3. Stainless steel or silicone straws. Reusable straws provide an eco-friendly solution to single-use plastic versions. A complete set includes 4 to 8 straws, cleaning brushes, and a carrying case, typically priced at $8 to $15. The straws come in various sizes suitable for different drinks, such as smoothies, coffee, or water. Stainless steel options offer durability and a sleek appearance, while silicone versions provide a softer drinking experience. These straws clean easily with the included brush and can last indefinitely with proper care. Many sets include both straight and bent options to accommodate different drinking preferences. Number 4 on our list of reusable items that will save you thousands is beeswax wraps. Beeswax wraps serve as an all-natural replacement for plastic wrap and foil. A starter pack containing 3 to 4 different-sized wraps costs $15 to $25 and lasts about 1 year with proper care. The wraps mold easily around containers and food items using the warmth of your hands. These wraps work particularly well for covering bowls, wrapping cheese, and storing produce in the refrigerator. The natural antibacterial properties of beeswax help keep food fresh longer, and the wraps can be refreshed with a quick wash in cool water. Number 5. Glass or stainless steel containers. Quality food storage containers make a significant difference in kitchen organization and food preservation. A set of 5 to 7 glass containers with secure lids ranges between $25 to $40, while stainless steel options cost $30 to $50. These containers resist staining and odors, unlike plastic alternatives. The containers stack easily for storage and move safely between the freezer, refrigerator, and microwave. Most sets include various sizes for different storage needs and come with leak-proof lids that prevent spills. Number 6. Reusable coffee filter. A permanent coffee filter provides better taste and reduced waste compared to paper filters. Most reusable filters cost $10 to $20 and last several years with proper cleaning. The mesh design allows essential oils to pass through, creating a richer coffee flavor. These filters work in most standard coffee makers and pour-over systems. Regular cleaning with hot water maintains optimal performance and prevents any buildup that might affect coffee taste. Number 7. Cloth napkins. Cloth napkins add a touch of elegance while reducing paper waste. A set of 8 to 12 napkins typically costs $15 to $25 and lasts several years with regular washing. The napkins come in various materials and patterns to match any decor style. These napkins clean easily in regular wash cycles and resist staining when treated properly. Many sets include napkins sized generously enough for both casual meals and formal dining occasions. Number 8 on our list of reusable items that will save you thousands is reusable makeup remover pads. Washable makeup remover pads provide a sustainable solution to disposable cotton rounds. A pack of 14 to 20 pads costs $12 to $18 and includes a mesh washing bag for easy cleaning. The pads feature dual-sided surfaces for different cleaning needs, such as gentle eye makeup removal and general face cleansing. These pads maintain their softness through hundreds of wash cycles and work with all types of cleansers. Most sets last 1 to 2 years before needing replacement, saving hundreds of disposable pads. Number 9. Bamboo toothbrush. Bamboo toothbrushes provide an eco-friendly alternative to plastic oral care products. Individual brushes cost $3 to $6, like quality plastic options, but decompose naturally after disposal. The bamboo handles resist water damage and mold growth in bathroom environments. These brushes clean teeth just as effectively as plastic versions and need replacement every 3 to 4 months. Many brands offer soft bristle options and ergonomic handle designs for comfortable use. Number 10. Stainless steel razor. Traditional safety razors offer superior shaving results while reducing plastic waste. A quality stainless steel razor costs $20 to $35 upfront, but replacement blades cost mere cents each compared to expensive cartridge refills. The weight of the razor provides optimal pressure for a close shave, eliminating the need for multiple passes. These razors work equally well for face or body hair removal, and proper care ensures they last a lifetime. The initial learning curve proves worth it as technique improves and skin irritation decreases with regular use. Number 11. Cloth diapers. Cloth diapers are an eco-friendly option for parents seeking to reduce waste and save on diaper costs. I personally used cloth diapers for my 3 kids, and I can confidently say they offer great durability and value. A full set of 25 premium cloth diapers costs around $600 to $800, but serves multiple children through their diapering years. Modern designs include adjustable snaps and convenient inserts, making them as easy to use as disposables. These diapers feature soft, absorbent materials that keep babies comfortable and prevent leaks. Parents typically save $1,500 to $2,000 per child using cloth diapers instead of disposables. Number 12 on our list of reusable items that will save you thousands is bamboo hairbrush. Bamboo brushes combine durability with natural antibacterial properties. Quality brushes range between $12 to $25 and feature sturdy bristles that detangle without causing breakage. The bamboo handle provides a comfortable grip and resists water damage in humid bathroom environments. These brushes distribute natural hair oils effectively, leading to healthier scalp conditions and shinier hair. Regular cleaning with mild soap maintains the brush's performance and extends its lifespan beyond typical plastic alternatives. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 13. Microfiber cleaning cloths. Professional-grade microfiber cloths revolutionize household cleaning tasks. A pack of 12 to 24 cloths costs $15 to $30 and replaces countless paper towels and disposable wipes. Each cloth tackles multiple surfaces, including glass, stainless steel, and wood, using just water in most cases. The ultrafine fibers trap dust and dirt effectively, making cleaning faster and more efficient. Regular machine washing maintains their effectiveness for hundreds of uses. Number 14. Wool dryer balls. Wool dryer balls transform laundry routines while eliminating dryer sheet waste. A set of 6 balls costs $15 to $25 and works for over 100 loads. Their bouncing action separates clothes, reducing drying time and saving energy costs. Adding essential oils to the balls creates natural fragrance without artificial chemicals. The balls fluff towels and reduce wrinkles naturally, improving laundry results while saving money. Number 15. Reusable mop pads. Machine washable mop pads elevate floor cleaning results. A set of 4 to 6 pads ranges between $12 to $20 and fits most popular mop brands. The thick, absorbent materials clean more thoroughly than disposable options, picking up dirt instead of pushing it around. These pads work well on multiple floor types, including hardwood, tile, and laminate. Regular washing maintains their effectiveness for up to 2 years of regular use. Number 16 on our list of reusable items that will save you thousands is compost bin. Kitchen compost bins turn food waste into garden gold. A quality countertop bin with charcoal filters costs $25 to $40 and processes daily food scraps without odors. The resulting compost enriched garden soil naturally, eliminating the need for chemical fertilizers. These bins feature easy clean surfaces and dishwasher-safe components for simple maintenance. Regular emptying into an outdoor composter completes the cycle of waste reduction. Number 17. Rechargeable batteries. High-capacity rechargeable batteries power devices reliably while reducing toxic waste. A starter kit with 4 AA batteries and a charger costs $25 to $35, but saves hundreds in battery purchases. Modern batteries maintain their charge through 500 to 1,000 recharge cycles, perfect for cameras, game controllers, and toys. The charger indicates when batteries reach full capacity, preventing overcharging. Smart charging technology extends battery life and ensures optimal performance. Number 18. Reusable shopping bags. Sturdy shopping bags handle heavy loads while reducing plastic bag consumption. A set of 5 to 6 bags costs $15 to $25 and replaces thousands of single-use bags. The bags fold into compact pouches, making them easy to keep in cars or purses for unexpected shopping trips. Reinforced seams and washable materials ensure years of reliable use. Some designs include insulated options for grocery shopping. Number 19. Collapsible silicone containers. Space-saving silicone containers solve storage and transportation challenges. Individual containers cost $1 to $15 and collapse to 1/3 their size when empty. The leak-proof designs safely carry soups, salads, and snacks without spills. Food-grade silicone withstands microwave and dishwasher use while resisting stains and odors. These containers expand and collapse hundreds of times without losing shape. Number 20 on our list of reusable items that will save you thousands is reusable utensil set. Portable utensil sets eliminate single-use plastic waste at meals away. A complete set with case costs $12 to $20 and includes all essential eating tools. The compact carrying case fits easily in bags or desk drawers for convenient access. Stainless steel or bamboo materials provide durability and natural antimicrobial properties. Sets often include chopsticks and straws for complete meal readiness. Number 21. Reusable coffee cup. Insulated coffee cups save money through drink discounts while reducing cup waste. Quality cups cost $20 to $30 and maintain drink temperature for hours. The secure lids prevent spills during commutes or office work. Reusable coffee cups are convenient for daily use and contribute to a more sustainable and healthier coffee habit. Number 22. Stainless steel lunchbox. Multi-compartment lunch containers organize meals perfectly. A quality stainless steel set costs $25 to $40 and includes dividers for portion control. The containers seal tightly, preventing leaks between compartments during transport. Stainless steel resists bacterial growth and maintains food temperature longer than plastic alternatives. These boxes stack efficiently in refrigerators and bags. Number 23. Rain barrel. Rain collection systems reduce water bills while supporting garden growth. Basic barrels cost $50 to $100 and collect thousands of gallons annually. The collected water works perfectly for gardens, lawns, and indoor plants. Most systems include overflow protection and mosquito screens for safety. Installation requires minimal tools, and maintenance involves simple seasonal cleaning. Last on our list of reusable items that will save you thousands is compostable dog waste bags. Earth-friendly pet waste bags reduce plastic pollution responsibly. A 3-month supply costs $12 to $18 and breaks down naturally in landfills. The bags feature strong, leak-proof construction despite their eco-friendly materials. Easy tear perforations and compact rolls make daily walks more convenient. These bags work with standard dispensers and handle waste as effectively as plastic options. The transition to reusable items creates positive changes in both personal finance and environmental impact. Starting small with 1 or 2 items builds momentum toward a more sustainable lifestyle. The initial investment in these items continues paying dividends through reduced waste and lower monthly expenses. Each small change adds up to significant impact over time, making reusable items truly worth every penny spent. Choose one item that aligns with your daily routine and watch the benefits add up. Small changes lead to big results when we make conscious choices about the products we use every day. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.